President, I have a couple comments before I vote. I want to thank the NAACP of Painesville. I gave them a call today. I talked to Derek and Renee. Mr. Marn went in front of the Painesville NAACP, and I wanted to call without his knowledge and find out how that meeting went. You know, it was a very, very tough situation. It was these people are dedicated, very intelligent, smart people, and Derek and Renee were absolutely fantastic on the phone. It was almost like a trial, maybe, that Mr. Martin went through there, and you know, they're not happy with all the answers, but they were happy with a lot of the answers. And the process that Mr. Martin went through with the NAACP, they're going to actually make it their standard way of trying to solve these situations and things like that. But yeah, Derek and Renee with the Painesville NAACP, I want to thank you so much. Got a couple of questions for the law director. I'll throw them all out there. Is this a binding resolution? What actually is this resolution? What does this resolution even mean? Do we have I believe we have instructions in our charter how to go about this properly, and I just wondered if this is the start of that process. I don't believe it is. I didn't get to read all the way through the charter on this type of situation. Is this the process? Is this the beginning of the process? And I guess I want to ask, who wrote this resolution? And is it true? Is everything in it true? And if it's not true, does this put us in a legal situation of throwing out false information? I don't know if this is all true, and I'm not sure if this resolution should have been written the way it was. I guess, Mr. Zeman, is this a binding resolution?
It's not, it doesn't have the effect of law, if that's the question.
Okay.
Relative to your second question as to charter process, removal pursuant to the charter requires filing of charges against the council member to be removed. After being served in no less than 15 days, a hearing is conducted by the council. Evidence is taken. The council member that has been charged has the right to be represented by an attorney and present witnesses and evidence in rebuttal of the charges. Ultimately, the decision for removal is up to the 5 members of council would be required. In regard to your other questions, council is in receipt of a legal opinion from outside counsel, and I will not comment further relative to any legal counsel. I do not have the right to waive attorney-client privilege, nor does any individual member of council have the right to waive attorney-client privilege. But I believe that opinion has not changed, and therefore act in accordance as you choose.
Thank you, Mr. Zeman. I guess until we do this properly, or we go through the proper steps legally, I'll be abstaining on this vote.
Mrs. Dunn?
No interruptions. Julie, please call the roll.
Fred Cook.
Mrs. Dowling? Yes. Mr. Freeman?
Yes.
Mr. Kirschner?
Yes.
Mr. Krieger?
Yes.
Mr. Marn?
No.
Mr. Blake?
Yes. Resolution number 25-R-103 has passed. Moving on, third reading, we have none. Managers.